Welcome to our video on numbers and words, focusing on learning standard and word form. We'll be exploring how to express numbers using words, covering some important rules along the way. Today, our goals are to learn how to write large numbers using words. We will also understand when and how to use hyphens, and correctly identify the place value of digits. Let's review some important terms. Standard form is writing a number using digits, like 452. Word form is writing a number using only words, like 400. A hyphen is a small dash used to join two words together. Can you read this large number? Imagine you won a prize of $1,250,000. How would you say that out loud to your friends in words? Let's review place values for huge numbers. Remember the hundred, thousands, and millions places. The millions place is the seventh digit from the right. This will help us correctly write the words. Now let's practice place value. In the number 1,450,000, which digit is in the hundred thousands place? Think about the positions we just reviewed. The correct digit in the hundred thousands place in 1,450,000 is 4. The hundred thousands place is the sixth digit from the right. Numbers are split into groups of 3 called periods. We use commas to separate these periods: the millions period, the thousands period, and the ones period. Each comma has a name when we say it out loud. The first comma from the left, separating the millions period, is often called million. The second comma is called thousand. When we write numbers in word form, we write exactly what we say. For example, 525 in standard form is 525 in word form. There is an important AND rule. In math, try not to use the word AND when writing whole numbers. Say 520, not 520. We use a hyphen for numbers between 21 and 99. Examples include 72, 45, and 38. Remember to use the dash correctly. Time for a hyphen check. Is this statement true or false? The number 35 should be written as 35 without a dash. Choose true or false. The statement is false. Numbers between 21 and 99 need a hyphen. The correct way to write it is 35. To write large numbers in words, like 450,000, write the number in the period first, 450. Then, add the period name, 1000. The process is step by step. First, look at the period and read the 3 digits together. Next, say the period name, like million or thousand. Finally, keep going and move to the next period to the right. Let's fill in the word for 600,000. The number 600,000 in word form, I6 blank thousand. Look at the word bank for options, and 10, 100, million. The correct answer is 100. The number 600,000 in word form is 600,000. Well done if you chose the correct word. Let's do a spell check. Be careful with tricky spellings. 40 does not have a U, and 90 keeps the E. Fun fact, 40 is the only number with letters in alphabetical order. Sometimes a period has zeros. In this case, we skip it in word form. For instance, 5,012,000 is written as 5,012,000, skipping the thousands period entirely. Let's practice. Choose the correct word form for 125,000 from the options shown in the video. Take a moment to think about the correct way to write this number. Now let's match the forms. On the left, we have numbers and words. On the right, we have the corresponding names for the forms. Try to match each one correctly. Here are the solutions for the matching exercise. 1 million is standard form, large. 62 is standard form, small. 62 is word form, small. 1 million is word form, large. Word form is used in formal writing. When you write a check or a formal letter, using word form helps ensure that the exact numerical amount is clearly understood and difficult to change. Put these words in the correct order to write the number 421,000. The available words are 1,000, 0, 21, and 400. The correct order to write 421,000 is 421,000, 0. The correct word form is 421,000. To convert back to standard form, start with the words. If you see 800,000, write 800, then add the comma and 3 zeros for the thousands period to get 800,000. Think about why banks ask for the amount to be written in both numbers and words on a check. What is the practical reason for this extra step? Word form prevents mistakes, makes it harder to alter the amount written in digits, and ensures the amount is very clear for processing. Final check questions. Does 45,000 need a hyphen? What is the name of the period for the first 3 digits from the right? How do you write 1 million in word form? Let's review the final check answers. Yes, 45 needs a hyphen. The first 3 digits from the right are in the ones period. 1 million is the word form for 1 million. You are a pro. You can now read and write massive numbers. Next time, we will learn how to expand them using addition.